foodies.
Hi, foodies.
I am making Jay's request. We were out and about, and he said salsa. So I said, go get the ingredients. So what are our ingredients for our quick salsa? Super quick salsa.
Cilantro, shallot, sugar bomb tomatoes, and maybe a fresh jalapeno from the garden, and maybe a pinch of salt.
Okay, so the trick to this salsa, and I promise you, do not falter. If not, it's not my salsa. If not, don't write me. Don't tell me, okay? Because if you didn't use these same exact ingredients, it is not our secret salsa. So the sugar bomb, they have to be the sugar bomb. They are pricey, but they're worth it because they're sweet. You have to use shallot because, again, it's sweet. So it's going to give a sweet and salty contrast to the salsa. And then I use half a bunch, there's no recipe, half a bunch of cilantro. So I'm just going to put it in the processor. And I am going to use a little pinch of salt, but only after we taste it. So I'm going to buzz this. I'm going to put 2 shallots in here to start. Hi, everybody. And then just buzz the shallots and the cilantro, and I think we're going to add more. So, my poor little Cuisinart has been with us for how many years? How long have we been married? Do you know?
A lot of years.
How many years?
Just a few.
How many?
34.
34 years we've been married, and this has been 34. So I have to like baby it because it's broken, but if I push, it still works. I don't want to get rid of it. So now I'm going to put my jalapeno in. Woo! Woo! The onions are making me cry. Okay. So I ended up putting 3 shallots in here, 1 jalapeno. You don't have to make it super spicy, so you don't have to put the jalapeno in there if you don't want. Hold on, not yet, because I think I'm trying to keep this one under 3 minutes, guys, this video. All right, if you have any questions for Jay, now would be the time. Oh. So now you put your tomatoes in, and we like it kind of sort of chunky. So we're only going to pulse it until it's chunky enough. And you can put in as much cilantro or as little cilantro. I'm sitting here crying.
Wasn't me, I swear.
You never make me cry.
Except when I make you cut shallots.
Oh yeah, except when you make me cut shallots.
Right. Don't overblend it.
I know. All right, there we go. So let's taste it. And then actually, okay, let's taste it and then we'll see about the salt. Oh, just a tiny bit. It's just going to need a tiny little bit. So you guys know we're minimal sodium, but this is one of those times where we want to get the flavor to pop with just a tiny bit of, just a tiny bit of sodium. That's it. Remember, sugar bomb tomatoes, cilantro, shallot, has to be a shallot. Has to be a shallot because if not, it won't be. You want the sweetness of these two. And then your jalapeno. All right, so then let's try it.
Clean spoons for the record. All right.
Ooh, that's perfect heat too. Ooh, we could try it with crackers. Crackers.
Oh,
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh!
Ooh, I got 2 dippers now.
Okay.
That's more for me.
Yummy, yummy.
Yum.
All right.
Okay, foodies. Bye.
Bye, foodies. Hope you're having a happy Thursday.